Welcome to our latest CompExam round 1 to 4 answers videos. In this video, we are not only going to show you CompExam guide, but also include CompExam Excel template that's going to assist you to maximize your score. Without wasting any time, let us start. And this time, first of all, we need to understand the report that we're going to use. And the first report is the industrial condition report. And the essence of this report is going to show you exactly like how the markets are going to move. For example, here we'll see we have the segment location and drift rates. So these are drift rates showing like how the markets are going to move from this round or from the previous round to the current round. For example, in the drift market segment, you can see performance has a drift of 0.5 and the size has a drift of negative 0.5. For the core, have 0.8 and negative 0.8. Then nano, we have 0.8 and negative 1.1. When we go to elite, we have 1.1 and negative 0.8. And then when you scroll down, you're going to see the segment centers at the end of each round. Note that drift rate vary for each segment. And here you see for round 0, we have the performance and size of 6.5 and 13.7. That is for drift. And then for core is also listed, as well as for nano and elite, through from round 0 to round 4. And then just like in the CompExam Korea report, we'll be able to see the segment size, growth rate. I'll get this information, including the customer buying criteria. Also, you can get that report from this section. You just go to thrift market segment or any other market segment, and it's going to give you key information, including the demand that was there. This was for round 0. And then also it's going to show you the actual industrial sales, the total sales that we had in round 0. And also next year segment growth rate for thrift is 11%. And then when you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see the price. And this is the price expectation for different market segment. You can see for thrift market segment, the expectation is between $14 and $26, which is important to 55% of the market. And then when you go to reliability, you see customer expecting reliability of between 14,000 and 20,000, which is important to 20% of the market. And then number 3, we have ideal position. This varies, so the values that we have here might not be the actual what we are going to enter. And finally, the age of 3 years. For you to get information on all other market segments, you just need to scroll down, or you can go to this report and click exactly the same market segment that you want. For example, for core, you can just click for core, and it's going to take you to the core statistic, and you're going to get all information that you need to know about that segment. All right, without wasting time, let us go straight and start making our decision. We also have decision for round 1 up to round 4. You can check the video description to access those decisions. And also we have the CompExam round 1 to 4 answers Excel template. And these have simplified everything that you need to enter. And this time we are going to start with the TQM. You can see it has already listed what we need to enter in each TQM initiative. Different TQM initiative have different impact. For example, let's see the CPI system. This is continuous improvement, process improvement system, drive reduction in material cost. Therefore, when you spend money on each initiative, it will either assist you to reduce material cost, reduce the cost of labor, or even increase demand. It can also assist you to reduce the R&D cycle time. All right, so let us just enter the value 1500. So 1500 is not just a guessed number. We get this 1500 from this information. When you read it, you'll find that if you spend more than 1500, you'll experience diminishing return, meaning that you'll not get the equal responsive outcome by spending more. So let's just have 1500 for each. All right, now we'll see here we have the projected cumulative impact. We have the worst case scenario and also the best case scenario. For material cost reduction, we'll see the worst case is 4.3, the best case is 5.5. So it depends with whether competitors are also going to spend some money in TQM. And that's what the system is going to calculate the amount of impact that your company is going to get. And also, if you had a higher spending compared to your competitors, then you are going to get higher impact. All right, now research and development. And everything, we have already entered the value in our CompExam Excel template. As you can see here, this is for round 0. These values are exactly the same what we have there, but what we need only to change are the names so that they can just match. So the first one, we have Apple, and then the second, we have Agape, and then we have Abby, and the final one, we have Alan. Okay, also the names have been updated in all other departments, in marketing and also in production, as you can see. Therefore, now we can continue and make these changes. So from what you have entered in the CompExam round 0, the system or a CompExam Excel template has already created for round 1, and all we need to do is just to enter this value. So for Apple, we need to enter 9.4 and 10.0. Sorry, 10.8. Then we calculate. And the second one, we need to enter 12.1 and 6.0. So enter 12.1 and then 6.0. Recalculate. And then for Abby, we need to enter 14.4 and 8.2. And then for Alan, we need to enter 6.7 and 13.5. Okay, so we also need to introduce 3 additional products. The first one, we're going to introduce it in the cross section of different market segment, and this is going to be a crossover product, meaning it's going to sell in multiple market segment. So this one, let us give it a name, Ajay, and let us give it performance of 12.0 and size of 8.0. And at the same time, let us give it reliability of 23,000. Recalculate. Okay, the first nano product, we have Ale. Okay, give it a performance of 13.1 and size of 4.8. And at the same time, give it reliability of 24,000. And the last product, we have Ame. Give it a performance of 15.6 and a size of 7.2. Reliability, we need to give it 26,000. Okay, recalculate. All right, that's all we need to do in research and development. You can go ahead and do marketing. Again, you do not need to do much because already CompExam Excel template have already calculated the value for you. So for Apple, we reduce the price to $30, and we're going to give it a promo budget of 2,100 and sales budget of 2,100. And the Excel template is estimating that we're going to sell 2047. And then the next one, we have Agape. We are not going to change the price, but we're going to change the promo budget and sales budget to 2,100 in both cases. And the Excel template is estimating that we'll sell about 1,100. And then for Abby, this is elite market segment product. Again, we do not change the price, but we change promo budget and sales budget. And at the same time, the system is estimating that we are going to sell about 766 units. We calculate, and finally we have Alan. This is a thrift market segment product, so we reduce the price because it was overpriced to 20.5, and then at the same time promo budget and sales budget to change to 2,100, and at the same time Excel template is estimating that we're going to sell 1979 units. And that's all we need to do in marketing. Now we can go to production. And in production, the Excel template has included the inventory that we have. And at the same time, it has calculated the production schedule. So the first one, we are producing 2104. The second product, Agape, we are producing 946. And then for Abi, we are producing 919 units. And then for Alan, we are producing 1314 units. So that's all we need to do when it comes to production schedule. The next thing that we need to do is the buy sell capacity, and we are buying 330 units for the new product that we introduced. And at the same time, each year allocating automation rating of 5.0. Calculate. Alan, which is a thrift market segment product, we are increasing automation to 10.0. And then for Agape and Abi, those are Nano and Elite respectively, we are increasing to 5.0. And finally, for Apple, we are increasing to 7.0. So the reason for increasing automation is to reduce the labor cost, because automation need a little labor compared to employing employee rather than utilizing automation. So you can see we are almost exceeding the quota that we are allocated, because we are spending 59,188 and the maximum we can spend is 59,668. And that's all we need to do in production. Now we can go to human resource. And from our CompExam Excel template, it's saying that we spend 5,000 in recruiting and 8 hours for training. These are the maximum value. Spending beyond this will not bring any additional advantage. And finally, let us do finance. And from our CompExam Excel template, it's saying that we take 14,722 in long-term debt, and we also need to borrow about 13,000. And now you can see our ending cash balance is about 7,346, which is enough to hedge us against any emergency loan. And when we go to balance scorecard, see that the total score that we are expecting is about 66.4 out of 80, which is good for the start. Hope going forward, we'll maximize point that we are going to get, and we are going to get at least maybe 78 out of 80 in the coming rounds. So that's all for this round. In case you have any question, kindly let us know.